Oh, Howard, I didn't see you there, vinyl lovers. Another day, another record. So today, we're talking about the new Paul McCartney. I don't know if you guys know much about Paul McCartney. Pretty cool guy. He's a Beatle, exciting. But this is his newest album. I think it's been 5 years since he released an album. So this is The Boys of Dungeon Lane. Really kind of goes back to his early roots and exploring a lot of sentimental songs. Days We Left Behind was the single that they put out, definitely reflective on early years of Paul McCartney. A song that I really dug was Salesman Saint. Really, really interesting lineup on that song. Just the vocals, the harmonics, everything about it. Really, the production on it's really good. I really like the production on it. And this is there's a lot of different variants of this album. There's quite a few different variants. This is the Third Man Records variant of the album. It sounds amazing. I listened to it. It sounds amazing. Definitely, Third Man Records knows how to make a record, but it's like, look at that. It's literally just a vinyl on the inside. Smoky bars and cheap guitars. I really liked that line. I thought that was a really catchy line. You can just envision them being younger, playing at these local clubs. Really cool, like being able to listen to this all the way through. I really enjoyed it. Overall, I gave it like a 7 out of 10. Pressing though, however, this is a really good pressing. So the Third Man pressing is definitely worth diving into. Overall, the production is just amazing. They always do such a good job. Nothing in there, so I'll give a little protector in there to kind of give it a little bit more. Yeah, it's just a vinyl. So that was kind of risky, pick it when I opened it up. If you did get this album, so when you are opening it up, just be safe. Just be safe opening it up because it is, it's just a vinyl inside there. But normally there's more protection. But yeah, it came in like a little sleeve, and there you go. But I kind of also like that style, so that's kind of cool. But yeah, thanks for watching and subscribe.